Hi, we're going to go ahead and look at some research now. If you want to go to Google, rather than going straight to Google, and the issue we have here at school is a lot of times stuff pops up that we just don't want everybody looking at. There's a lot of stuff that's out there that's great, but there's also a lot of stuff that just isn't appropriate to be looking at. To avoid some of that, we're going to use KidzSearch. So we're going to go to search.kidzsearch.com, and it's going to Google search for us, and we'll be able to search within their website. So we're going to go ahead and go to their main page here, and then we're just going to type in slavery and then you can see it's already popping up just like Google. It kind of guesses based on what other people have done what you're going to type, slavery in the United States. So we'll click on it and hit search, and you're going to get a list of stuff that's going to pop up. The first few are going to be the advertisements. You can see they got the little green ad right there. They could be reliable sources, but a lot of them are also going to be, they're trying to get you to buy something. So we're going to avoid those to start with, and we're going to just jump down. Now the first one you see here is Wikipedia on the main sources. Wikipedia may give you some good information, not always 100% reliable, so it may be a good place to look at stuff, but I wouldn't depend only on Wikipedia. History.com sounds like a pretty reliable source. National Geographic, a well-known organization that's been around for a long time, is going to be a good site to look at. Duxter's is a common educational site. Maybe not quite as reliable as National Geographic, but it should have generally pretty reliable information. Civilwar.org, it's an organization. Britannica.com, it's an online encyclopedia, is going to be a good source. PBS, a well-known public broadcasting system. If you're not sure if something's a reliable source, you can usually ask your teacher and they'll have a pretty good idea, and you'll kind of get the hang of it as you go on. One nice thing that I've noticed when you go on to KidzSearch is that it will avoid a lot of the sites like answers.com, which are sites where anybody can just go on and type on answers, and there's all kinds of information out there that's just not true. As a general rule, when you search on here, you're going to get more reliable sources, and it's going to filter out some of those other ones. Does not mean that every site that comes up is going to be a good source of information.